What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This morning we are at the Colorado Springs pull apart today, and we are finally going to do pull apart episode 5, I believe. It's been a while since we've done an actual pull apart video where we actually show you guys around the pull apart and see, you know, if it's nice, organized, stuff like that, safe for people to go up and pull their parts and to see how the place kind of keeps it. So today, again, we're at Colorado Springs U Pull and Pay, and we're gonna do some of the ones in Denver as well, but the last time we went, when Will was here, we just didn't have enough time to really make a huge video because we're kind of in a hurry. So today we're gonna take you guys on a little walkthrough of this place. Obviously we're looking for good old SHITBOX parts, Jettas, Passats, anything like that. We're looking for a few parts in particular, but we're gonna get in there and kind of take a look around, see what they got. I know they have a few that just got placed in the last week or so, so it should be a pretty good pull apart day today. We'll see you guys inside. All right, guys, so we're inside. Pretty organized. They even have like a premium section that has just newer vehicles and just stuff that's super together. Cool little Jeep Comanche over there with big ass tires. But overall, I mean, first impressions when you walk in is that it's a pretty clean pull apart. They post on their Facebook page all the time of new vehicles that are getting placed and stuff like that. So you always kind of have an idea of when stuff is dropping into the lot, so you can come the same day. Because they usually post in the morning, so you'll be able to see their post and then just head to the pull apart right away if there's a vehicle that you see that you need parts from. So pretty cool. But we're gonna go find us our couple Jettas, I think. If you look at my list here, they only got one Golf 2002. The rows are marked pretty good. They're just written on the side of the cars right here on the back quarter panels. All right, so there's definitely not a Passat that I found in row 3, but there is this nice Jetta. Black interior pieces. That shift console might be good. It's got a regular console. It's kind of worn out. Damn, all the vents are like busted up. Yep, center console's broke too. That's missing. All right, so this is a fail. There's literally almost nothing I can take off this thing. All right, so we went to row 6, and it says there's a Passat, which there isn't, but there's this Golf right here. Little Mark 4 action. Still got the old intercooler right there, and everything else is gone. I'm guessing there's a 1.8 turbo, little GTI action, something like that. But the glove compartment is 95% good. So there's only 2 broken mount points, but mine was completely destroyed. I have plenty of bolts. Clean this bad boy out. Even still has a little insert tray. But we're gonna pull this real quick because the other GTI is like all the way down there, so I don't really want to come back for it. I'm already here. Just happened by chance to find this. This thing got freaking raided, bro. And I do need a shift console, so hopefully one of these Jettas has one. It's kind of cool because literally one of the only tools you need is this T20 Torx. And you can literally get 95% of the shit out of these cars. This is a lot better than the one I had. Every time you open a door, like the whole thing like fell out. Glove compartment, perfectly good. Maybe we even just found ourselves a new grill that has all the mount points good. Hell yeah, I'm taking that too. There's the, geez, okay, never mind. We found the rest of the car. It's all over here. This might be the Passat. I think this might actually be it. Yep, this is a Passat. Nothing really good on it that I need. Yeah, I'm looking for some more Passat headrests that are like the super low profile ones. They really, I feel like they only come in the wagons. So I guess I don't know what they needed off this car, just the fucking front clip or something. Be nice if I could find a bumper to this little 1.8 turbo. But this is a good core support right here, complete with bumper. So I'll put this back next to this car here, man, because somebody could honestly use that. All right, moving on to the next row. All right, guys, so we're in row fucking like 24. We found another Passat or an Audi or something. Did score this cool little Euro style headrest for the back. See if it works. We're gonna keep looking. We're gonna do like a little score system at the end of this episode and see, you know, how I would actually score this pull apart compared to other ones I've been to. So we'll see you guys when we actually find something worth picking. I'm really stupid. This is the days in yard, and that's the row. I just grabbed it with my left hand, and I was looking, I'm like, oh yeah, row whatever. So we gotta go like, let's just go backwards. 26 is a Jetta. Where's this freaking, the Golf? It's all torn up. I bet that one's in row like, whatever fucking it said. So that one's in row 6, so we already saw that one. Whole front end missing. Man, can't catch a break. So we're gonna go back through and find all these little Jettas. Well, we found a Mark III Jetta, which doesn't do me any fucking good. And of course, another freaking Passat. Jesus, man. Oh, that's cool. I mean, for real, like, do people just fucking hate Passats or something? Like, they beat the hell out of them. As of right now, it's a pretty dire situation for parts here. Because obviously you can see I got at least a glove compartment, my last headrest I need, and a grill that all the mounting points are good on. We're just gonna double check everything and make sure we hit every car to see if we can, you know, get some more parts. But I mean, it's not looking too good. Overall, gonna be an okay day. Had to pull apart, but we'll update you kind of at the end, because I'm just gonna run through everything and I don't have anybody to, you know, help film by myself. So yeah, we'll see you guys kind of at the end. We'll go over what we got before we go through, then what we paid for it, and I'm not gonna tell you, well, I'm not gonna tell you what I paid for it, because then you won't buy it. But yeah, either way, see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we actually found them. Since now we're in the correct row and we're not stupid, so I got two Mark IV Jettas right here. I mean, they're pretty much gonna get rated for whatever I can get. In these, we got, got good vent, center vent, which I need. The shift console was good because it's fucking missing. So let's see what else. There's nothing really back here. Seats are nice though still. So yeah, these are pretty nice seats. Mine's getting some NRG seats here at some point, so I don't think I really need that. This thing, people, I feel like somebody was saving those. Yeah, nothing in here. Damn, man. Let's see, close that shit up. Shift console, broken. All these vents look really like they're in really good condition, so we're gonna pull these for sure. And I don't know, is that busted up? No. We might try to pull this piece right here off, maybe. So I think that's gonna be it. Oh, look, a little spider. Oh yeah, these vents are in perfect condition, man. I think anybody really needs Jetta stuff. Little lower grills. Yeah, I think we're just gonna be pulling out some vents on these guys and moving on. All right, so we are done at the You Pull and Pay Colorado Springs. Overall, it's a pretty good yard, to be honest. And oh, sorry, we had to grab a steering wheel from back here. So we got a grill. We've got a couple headrests. One of them I put there already. Ow, that's hot. So I don't know if I like this one or the three of those better. I don't know, we'll see here. Let's take this one out, throw this one on. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. Headrests are fucking expensive too. They're like freaking, headrests are pretty expensive usually too. Like 10-15 bucks, but we did get a glove compartment and 2 sets of lay flats, which is nice. So just gonna throw all this back here secure. We definitely need to go to Denver. Overall, I think this is a very good pull apart for a local place that's kind of small. Denver, obviously, there's some pretty giant ones. So, oh, today we should be getting some parts in the mail today for the SHITBOX, which one of them being the exhaust tip, so we can finish that job up. All right, guys, what's up? I don't think I did an outro for the pull apart video. I just want to talk about that place for a second. So that's the You Pull and Pay Colorado Springs pull apart, pick apart, whatever you want to call it. It's a pretty good place. I enjoy going there. They usually have a pretty good selection. Today there wasn't a whole lot of stuff as far as VWs go, just mostly Passats and stuff. But overall, it's pretty clean most of the time. It's organized. You can find stuff pretty easily. So I'm gonna give it probably like a 7 out of 10. I've seen better. I've seen a lot worse. The next one we're gonna go to is gonna be, I think, Denver or Aurora, Colorado. They have like 6 pull aparts up there in Denver area, so there's gonna be a lot of pull apart episodes. So I mean, at least 5 more, right? Or 4 more or something like that. But hope you guys enjoyed the pull apart like review type video. We did score a few parts, as you guys saw. We're currently, you know, installing those, and y'all see that in the next video of us getting the SHITBOX kind of together with some more parts and finishing up the exhaust. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys later.